If you've ever wanted to turn a single photo into a full 3D model without paying for expensive software, TRELLIS.2 is worth your attention. It's a free open-source AI model built by Microsoft Research, and it turns ordinary 2D images straight into detailed, textured 3D assets. The model runs on 4 billion parameters, making it one of the largest open-source image-to-3D systems available right now, and it's released under the MIT license, so you can use it for personal projects, research, or commercial work without paying anything. What makes TRELLIS.2 stand out is its new architecture called O-voxel, short for omnivoxel. Older 3D AI tools usually struggle with tricky shapes like open surfaces, non-manifold geometry, or hollow interior structures. Most traditional methods rely on techniques that simply can't represent these kinds of shapes properly, so you end up with broken or distorted geometry. TRELLIS.2 handles all of that cleanly, producing accurate geometry even for complex objects that would trip up most other tools. This matters if you're working with things like clothing, layered surfaces, or objects with hidden internal parts. Speed is another strong point. On an NVIDIA H100 GPU, TRELLIS.2 can generate a 3D model at 512 cube resolution in about 3 seconds. If you want the full high-resolution output at 1536 cubed, it takes around 60 seconds. That's a serious time saver compared to manually modeling something from scratch, which could take hours depending on complexity. For anyone doing rapid prototyping, going from an image to a usable 3D shape that fast changes how you can work. The textures are where TRELLIS.2 really shines. It generates full PBR materials automatically, meaning base color, roughness, metallic, and opacity are all created together with the geometry in one pass. You don't need a separate texturing step. The official code also lets you export your finished model directly to GLB format, which is one of the most widely supported 3D file types out there, so it should open fine in most modern 3D software even without a dedicated plugin. Now, the catch, and there are a few real ones, TRELLIS.2 is not a plug-and-play consumer app. It needs a genuinely powerful GPU, at least 24 gigabytes of video memory, and it's officially only tested on NVIDIA A100 and H100 cards, which are expensive data center-grade hardware. If you're running a regular consumer GPU, you may not be able to run it at all, or you'll need to significantly cut down the settings. The code is also only tested on Linux, so Windows users will likely need extra workarounds or a virtual machine. Setup involves cloning a GitHub repository, installing CUDA, Conda, and several dependencies by hand, which takes real technical comfort. There's no polished installer or official customer support, just community discussion and GitHub issues if something breaks. It's worth being clear about what TRELLIS.2 does not confirm, despite what some third-party websites claim. There's no official mention of direct one-click integration with Blender, Unity, or Unreal Engine, and no built-in feature for generating variants or doing local edits on an existing model. Those were features tied to the earlier version of Trellis, not this one. Even with those limits, TRELLIS.2 is a genuinely strong release. The image quality, the handling of complex geometry, and the automatic PBR texturing are all a big step up from most free tools out there, and getting a usable textured 3D asset under a minute is impressive by any standard. It's best suited for people who already have access to serious GPU hardware and don't mind some command line setup, rather than someone looking for something they can install in 5 minutes. If that describes you, it's one of the best free options currently available for turning images into real 3D assets.